Hey traders, just a couple of minutes to run through a chart to show you how technical analysis works. It's not magic, but it's magical. All right, so this is a few weeks on Apple with my intraday notes. So these are notes. Most of the notes, I've deleted some for noise, but most of the lines I drew live with about 250 people in the room. So I share my screen. I'm sharing it right now, so they're looking and wondering. They can't hear me because I'm recording this video. They're wondering what the hell's going on. Anyway, the idea is to give you just a little overview of how actually charts work and how proof of how machines are in charge. So, for example, lines are not coincidental. Like today I drew this support and then I zoomed out to this look. I was on a 5-minute chart where I couldn't see this. I was like, okay, that looks like support. Let me see if it played a role before. And look left. Oh, I had a circle drawn on the 8th. Today is the 22nd of March. This was about the area where they found resistance, and then they finally broke through a couple days ago, and now that was Friday, Monday, and they used it as a base for Monday. But it also played a role before that. So this level right here has been in play since February, so the end of February. And then how we break out and we come back and test footing. Like right here, we broke out, Apple. By the way, this is Apple, but it doesn't matter. It could be anything. Broke out, came back, tested footing almost exactly from where it broke out, and then they took off. Then they broke out from here, tested footing, and then they took off. Broke out, come back, gather some more momentum, and take off. Right here, yesterday, failed, came back, touched footing, and came back up. So same on the way down. Check it out. They came down here, they held, and then they finally broke down. They came back to try to take it back. They couldn't. That's why I drew the circle. Then they came down. They came back a second time. They couldn't. They fell apart. So now it's important to note this level. Why? That's why I kept the circle. Because that was the place where they failed before, and they just took it out. If they hold it this week, that is a substantial change. They overcame this debacle. So that's a substantial change. So this video is not about specifically Apple, although I just gave you a tidbit, but about how technical analysis is not junk, and it's not voodoo either. It's just plain simple logic. Wherever you find problems, you're going to find problems. And then when you take the problems back over, they become friends. They become support. Let's see if it holds. So it's important. The bottom line for Apple is 162, 163 is important this week. And if you like the video, hit a like. If you want to discuss this in the comment section, go right ahead. Let's keep it civil. If you want to join the group, reach out. Maybe I have room. I'll make a room for people who do reach out.